Hello guys, yeah, it's me back. I'm back, and in part 4 we made checkpoints, and in this now we're going to learn, and we're going to make this hobby making earning us Robux. Now, how to do? We have to make a skip stage button. Now, skip stage. We would actually um, you like it's like a GUI you can in this area, so we actually need to go to the last, and then we have to go start a GUI. You press and you have to insert a screen GUI. In screen GUI you have to insert a frame, and in frame you can insert a text button and then move the frame. You can move and customize where you want, and let's add inside the, and you can also add a UI corner which helps us to round off the corner and change here 8 to 30, also a rounder one, so it's a bit round, and you can make it, and you move the text button out. Now we can make it longer, and let's delete text button for now. Let's delete the text button, and we'll make the UI corner like the this text button bit long, and then you can adjust it. Let's keep it at the top and in the middle. Now you can see this way, and then you can select it. You select it and change the background color to black, and then okay. Wait just a minute. The background, and then you can change it. You can keep it as white. Let's keep it as white, and let's we got the thing. Now let's add a text button, and you press the plus icon and a text button, and let's change the like change, you know what to say, like you can search for like where is that, maybe a position, and then you change it to 1 comma and then 0 comma 1 and then comma 0, and maybe not there. If you want, you can select by hand, and you can just move this around, and you can use your mouse, and then you can resize it. Just resize, and then and then you have the button resize to the background, and change this what to say, like change the background transparency to 1, and then enter, so we can see it's transparent, and then we can adjust the size. We can see the text though. Now let's and over here scroll down, and then you can change where is it, your text, and then we'll go your text color we have there. If you want, you can change text color, but now I'm not changing it. Now you have to font, and you can change the font bit darker, like bit bigger. I will check fractal one, and then let's resize the text. Search for let's see, yeah, text size and a text scale you can do, and then it automatically will scale itself. And then you can rename this button into, it will be over here, let's name is text button. Let's leave it as text button. We have to rename, we'll rename this content text. Are we looking? Yeah, and we'll write the text as skip stage, as and AGE skip stage, and then you see there's a skip stage button, and then you can actually interact with it. Now we have made the skip stage button. Next we need it uh, like we need it to be like working, and and then you can insert a local script. You can insert a local script, and then in local script I've written in the description, you have to search for this one, a developer product script local. You have to search for this in the description. I have written, you can use this. I have written the score over here, so I'll use this, and then we paste this. So now next you got the local script, and then you exit out of it, and then next we have to do is, you have the local script. Now you have to go over here to the server script service. Over here for the last time we are going to use it, and you have to insert a script, and in the script you need to paste this developer product script. It will be in the description, and then you have to copy this whole thing, and then come over here. I have made some mistakes. Let me fix it and show you guys. Local script. And then we post a local script, and then over here, just to make your guys exact, I paste this. So now you close out of it, and you got it. Next we have to save the game. You press file, and then in file you publish to Roblox, and then you get this window. You can write it as I'll write it as tutorial, and then after that you can press create, and then you wait for it. Yep, it has published successfully, and then it will go to this page. Place tutorial. You wait for it. Any moment right now, setting up the server. Once you go back inside, means it has successfully published your game. Now you can see we are back. Now next thing we are going to do is need to go to the web browser, like any web browser you can go. Well, I'm going to go to this one, or maybe not. You can go and pull up into a web browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome, and then I'm going to add one account. Let's see, I'll use this account. you come, I don't need use it, but anyways, once you're in the web browser, you can go to Roblox Creator Hub and the create.roblox.com, and in that you go to creations, and then here there'll be my experience, and this is tutorial. So you click on tutorial, and you go to configure, and then here we have, and next we have to go to the developer products, and then we need to go and create a developer product, and then we'll name it as skip stage, yeah, skip stage, and then you set the price to 20. I'm going to set it as 20. Don't set the price too long or too low. It should be it should be like the medium amount so people will buy it, and then you can press save changes, and you can keep, and you'll get this one time acknowledgement. You can read this through, and then you can see, and then you can do like this. Experience does not allow, the experience does not allow, but just a minute, I have this thing. Roblox will adjust your product faces and you upload. I guess you have to go and disable relating pricing, and I will save changes, and then done. We have made a developer product script stage, and this is our ID, product ID. You make sure to copy this ID, and then you go back to Roblox Studio. Now in Roblox Studio, you go and open workspace. In workspace, you go to the let's say the starter GUI, screen GUI, and then frame, and then the local script, and you're going to open it, and then you're going to paste your ID over here, and then like you copy it, you paste your ID over here, and then do the same thing with the server script service, add, and then not add, like open it, server script service, and then go into script, and then that you paste your ID over here, replace these zeros, and then paste your ID like over here, and right over here, and you control, you copy it. I mean, sorry, I don't know, I did not mean to copy, it's just an accident one. Let's copy this, I did not mean for it. No need to copy the zeros. You have your this thing, you have your ID. Now you need your ID, so you copy your ID, and then next you go to this script, and then in that you paste this your ID, and then it will work. I hope so. Let's see if it works or not. And yeah, we have the button, it's working. We have the skip stage, we enable skip stage, and then when you press OK, you will go to next stage, and you can earn Robux in that way. You can press skip stage, then you buy it, and then you press OK. You will be at next stage, which will be stage 3, and when you're at stage 3, I guess the wrong thing I had done. This is stage 4. My scripting error was wrong. I will just fix you guys and show it works. And so this is like stage 1, stage 2. Let's see if it's correct or not. Stage 2. Okay, it's correct. The next will be the after stage 2, stage 3. So this will be stage 3. And it will stage 3. And then we have to go here and then keep it as stage 4. So open this and you go here and this is stage 4. Now if we do it works correctly. Let's see. And we skip stage because we buy it. And this is a test purchase. Your account will be not charged. You can read over here. And it's your account will be not actually charged. It's just a test purchase to check your game if it works. So you can earn Robux in that way. You can press skip stage, press, then do a next stage and then skip stage, press, done, skip stage. And like that you can earn Robux in that way. And thank you guys for watching. If you guys learned how to make Robux and enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, comment down below if you have any doubts or queries. I'll try fixing yours by including a script or a code or any video to you guys. Bye. Maybe not bye. I have remembered one thing. Now after this you go, you need to like save this to you need to save this. Now you have written the code, so you go to file and then you go to save. Like you need to go to unsave to Roblox, or here publish to Roblox, save to Roblox. I guess it's already done. You need to like let's go. Yeah, now yeah, we have to save to Roblox. You can double save it if you want. Yeah, it's saved to Roblox. Now the script would be saved. Now what you have to do, you have to go to the the area, and the next you have to go back to the overview, and then you have to go here. Like you have to go to creations again, and then select your thing. But this is in private, so you go to settings, and then in settings, tutorial description, and you make it to public, so public can people access it. And enable studio access, no, I don't know, but you can mess around with this according to your ID, and then you can save changes, so it'll be published to public. But there'll be one slight problem. You'll sometimes have questioning. Yeah, this experience isn't playable because it has no maturity label. And then you have to go to these questionnaires to get like to make your hobby okay, like you to make it public. Now you started 14, one out there will be 14 questions. Now here, does the experience contain violence and or violent content? No, it doesn't. And the next question is, does this experience depict blood? No, it doesn't depict blood. Save and continue. Next, does this experience include scary elements that may trigger fear? No, it doesn't. The next, does this experience depict or reference or encourage crude humor? Nope, it doesn't. And then next is, does this experience contain any unplayable gambling content? You can read over here what this means. Unplayable gambling content means this fiction of games of chance luck with no gambling mechanics. But no, there's no chance of luck. And next is the game, team, or activity of this experience a social hangout? maybe, so maybe yes, you can hang out, or nope, it doesn't, because it's a hobby. Does this experience include free form user creation? um, you can see here in a game, free form drawing or creation, like writing on a chalkboard without like you made it. So yes, and you save and continue. And then is the primary theme of this game, this experience, a sensitive issue. As in a primary theme means a majority of content of gameplay refers to a sensitive issue. A sensitive issue means a content sensitive social, political, or religious issue is both politicizing, emotionally charged. Nope, it's not. You can say and continue. And then, does your experience allow users to view content that was captured from other experience? It doesn't. Next is, does the experience allow user to interact with generative AI components? We can't have generative AI component. Next, does this experience contain paid random items? Nope, not get a paid random items. Does this experience allow users to trade items that they paid for? Yes, allow paid items trading. No, it doesn't. And then, does your experience allow users to share media content and those things? Maybe don't, like, no. And next, does your experience contain feeds with continuous loading or audio plays automatically? Nope, it doesn't. Then mm, and then after this questionnaire you would submit this, and then it will be published for like 2 Roblox, and everyone could play it. And if you guys want to play it, you can press view on Roblox, and then you can get this tutorial and you can play. You can share this. Yeah, you can open Roblox. uh, yeah, and then here we are, here or here. And this account I don't have any Robux, so skip stage, most likely I can't use it. The owners can't use skip stage button, but others can use, as I showed in the thing. If you guys learned and enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.